Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the steps to allow everyone to see your last seen status on WhatsApp web using your computer. This is a recent update, so let's get right to it. Okay, let's dive in. 1. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. Launch your web browser and go to the WhatsApp web website. 2. Once WhatsApp web is open, look to the left side of the screen. You should see a gear icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. 3. In the settings menu, you'll see several options. Click on Privacy. This section allows you to control who can see your information. 4. Within the privacy settings, find and click on Last Seen and Online. This will take you to the settings that control who can see your last seen status and whether you're currently online. 5. Here, you'll see two options: who can see my last seen and who can see when I'm online. Under who can see my last seen, select everyone. This means that anyone, not just your contacts, can see when you were last active on WhatsApp, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your settings to allow everyone to see your last seen status on WhatsApp web. This can be useful if you want to be more accessible or let people know when you're generally available. Keep in mind that these settings can be changed at any time, so feel free to adjust them based on your preferences. If you value your privacy, you might want to choose a more restrictive option, such as My Contacts or Nobody. Also, remember that if you don't share your last seen, you won't be able to see other contacts' last seen. Privacy is a two-way street on WhatsApp. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience.